Welcome to the Kaleidoscope Spotlight series. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the people counting analytic. The people counting analytic can be used with standard analog or IP cameras to effectively count the number of people entering or exiting a facility. The people counting analytic can be helpful to assess staffing requirements based on your customer volume. The people counting analytic can also be combined with other premium analytics such as the facial surveillance analytic to mitigate time card fraud and other more advanced applications. We will begin in the Kaleidoscope Ops Center software to review the camera mounted configuration for optimal counting through an egress. In the video monitor on the right, we can see the field of view from a correctly mounted camera, which provides a top-down view of the counting area. The Kaleidoscope software allows you to draw a counting line on screen, which the software will use to count people as they step over the line. In addition to the counting line, you can indicate the direction the people will be traveling. So if you want to track people entering and exiting a facility, you'll be able to create one counting line and direction indicator for entries, and a second counting line and direction indicator for exits. With the correct camera mounting, counting lines, and direction indicators configured, we're now able to effectively count people as they enter and exit our facility. The people counting analytic can be used in combination with the Kaleidoscope alerting system to notify key personnel in real time when counts exceed or fall below certain thresholds. Additionally, reports can be generated from the data accumulated from the people counting analytic, which can provide you with great insight on your operations. Using the Kaleidoscope report viewer, we're able to visualize the data generated by the people counting analytic. Here we have a report highlighted called Tucson Counting Report, and down below we have a historical log of each time the report has been run. The Kaleidoscope system allows you to configure a report to be run on a scheduled basis, which in this case is each night at 2 a.m. This allows you to conveniently provide timely information to your key personnel. On the left-hand side, we see a tree view of all video recording appliances in our network. As you can see, this report is configured to use the cameras connected to the Tucson appliance. On the right-hand side, we have the categories of cameras installed in our facility. Kaleidoscope allows you to create camera categories to help you organize your network of cameras, which is particularly useful for large installations. As you can see here, we have camera 12 configured with the people counting analytic, and this camera has been included in our report definition. If I want to include the counts from other cameras, I can click the checkbox of additional cameras, and these counts will be included in my report as well. Down below we have additional report configuration options, and we can see that this report is configured to run based on the activity of the prior day, with the person counts averaged over 30-minute intervals. So let's exit the report configuration and run the report so we can take a look at yesterday's activity. I'll hit the view button here, which generates the report, and here we see that in the middle of the night between 1 and 2 a.m., no one has entered the facility as we would expect. Continuing through the day, we notice a few people arriving between 5 and 5:30 a.m., and then we see the count start to pick up around 6:30 as people come to the office in the morning for work. Next, we see a spike in exits around noon as people go to lunch, and once again towards the end of the day as people head home for the evening. As with all Kaleidoscope reports, the data can be exported in a variety of formats for use in external applications. Here I'll select the Excel format, and I'll click the Open button, which will open the report in Excel and allow me to graph yesterday's activity. So in conclusion, we can see how the people counting analytic can be used to accumulate entry and exit activity in our facility throughout the day, which we can use for reporting and analysis purposes to improve our operations. For more information, please visit our website at www.kaleidoscope.com. Thanks for watching.